That's a good one. Sketching with Dr. Ink.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sẽ chủ là súp à? Dạ. Súp được không?
Normally, I will sharpen the twig, quite often for one drawing. Then it becomes shorter and shorter. It's just like pencil. So collect. That's my collection. Yeah, that's for the tools. You have any question? Yeah.
Do you use a certain type of plant for the stick?
The plant.
What kind of wood?
Wood.
Okay, the one I use is soft. It's called water jasmine. I will explain later. It's kind of soft. So you all will try it later. I bring everyone one. How you sharpen the twigs will give you a different type of lines. Okay, next. It's a sharp head. Yeah. Compared to the twig, bamboo is kind of hard, so it produces thinner line. So if you want to do detail, and you can use bamboo. This workshop you have to DIY. DIY. Yeah. I will show you how to sharpen. I do sharpen one side. Yeah. It's not like pencil all around, but one side is good enough. This wood is kind of soft, so it's very easy. You can hold your pen knife like this and use your tongue.
Sharpening pencils. She loves to sharpen pencils. Yeah. The boss.
Make this part long. Try to make this part long, and then thin. Yeah, but for the head, you can keep it flat or pointed. Up to you. No? So you see the line is very different. Right? Then you can also do it one head to do some effect like this. This is my favorite, which is flat. So you can have broad and thinner line when you turn around to create continuous line. So yeah, how you hold your pen, this twig is, I want you to hold it like a brush. So very light and free, not like pencil, no. But make it free. So you can turn around and playing with the line. This is the paper that I use. It's Swanders. So yeah, you can draw some line. This is, I think this is the smooth paper. Yeah, it's two different things. And yeah, that one is with some texture. Try to create long and continuous line. Okay. Yeah, you can test on this paper, or you have your paper. The first exercise is draw lines. Okay.
With a dry wash, just like scrubbing in there, right? Yeah. So that's what you did before you discovered the sponge technique?
Yes.
Okay.
But the area is kind of, for bigger area, it's kind of difficult.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah, pushing, he was drawing, and yeah, that's wonderful.
I thought he was drawing the water bottle at first.
Yeah, I was wondering too, because he drew the separate things.
He did this first.
Yeah, and then at the end he made a sort of line connecting the whole, and it looked like the camera. Yeah, on the phone.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Sure.
Cytograph.
Thing makes it waterproof, and if you didn't use for a long time, it becomes jelly or sticky. So you have to shake well before. Yeah.
It's got to soak the.
Yeah. Soak the whole thing.
Yeah. Might be better if I let you do it rather than.
Who is going to spill ink everywhere?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Even though I wore black, I don't really want. I am going to.
Okay.
Thank you.
You see, it almost came out. It hopped out.
Yeah, this is good.
Should this get water?
Yeah, you didn't get any water.
I did. Does this need water?
Did you get water?
No, I didn't get any water.
She needs water.
How much?
I think it's
There's no water in that one, though.
yeah.
He's the chef. He would know.
Yeah.
What if I will go with the master? Whatever I'm told, I will do. At least the first time.
Yeah, right.
Then all bets are off.
Then I have this sponge, you see a black thing, so that's for the dry wash. I will explain later. The dry wash. So this like this part and the grey tone is I did with the dry wash. It's fun when you can combine different multiple sheets, make a bigger one. Like this is 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3. So actually you can, while travel, you can make big size sketch by using this method combined.
You lay it down on the ground, or you have a board for it?
No, normally I work on two pieces.
Two? Oh, and then you go
two in one
continue.
time. Then I'll keep one and then continue. Okay, then guess which piece I start?
The right side.
Yeah. Right. Why?
More detailed.
Yes. Because I'm left-handed. Yeah. And also this building is kind of the key to mark the skill. So yeah, normally I will start on the right hand side because I'm left-handed.
Yes.
Hey, thank you for watching this series of videos about the Urban Sketchers Symposium. See you later!